How to feel at home in a new city. When you move to a new city, everything looks unfamiliar. You feel excited, nervous, and anxious at the same time. It is true that moving to a new place is difficult, and it takes a few months or sometimes years to fully settle into the new place. You need to build a social life, activities, and professional network from scratch. The best part is that you are in a new place and ready to start a new chapter in your life. You only have to make it interesting. There are several things which will help you to settle in a new city and feel at home. The quickest and easiest way to feel more comfortable in a new place is to become a regular visitor to a local business, such as a restaurant, coffee shop, pharmacy, or general store. Build a sense of familiarity by introducing yourself to the owner. It will also give you an opportunity to interact with the neighbours or other local people. Get to know your neighbours by knocking on their door and introducing yourself. You can also communicate with the landlord and feel free to talk to other people to know more about the city. Slowly, you will find people with common interests. You can join a book club, sports team, take a class, or find a part-time job. Like-minded folks will help you explore and make you feel like you belong to the city. Many places have communities for discussions and meetups. You can join social gatherings and volunteer for the well-being and improvement of society with local NGOs. Plan to go on mini adventures with the local groups. It will allow you to do a lot of fun things here and there. Visit museums, concerts, galleries, libraries, and many other new places according to your interests. Explore the city more. Instead of going to the tourist spots, walk around in different areas and get to know your neighbourhood. You will be surprised to know how much you will learn from walking around. Every town has many opportunities that will help you learn the culture of the city. Pick up a hobby and join proper classes to get out of the house, like dance classes, cooking classes, or art lessons. Make your home more personal by decorating it completely in your own style. Hang your pictures with friends and family. Display your favourite artists or musical instruments. Place your favourite plants in different spots around the home and surround yourself with whatever makes you comfortable and happy. Adopt a pet like a cat, dog, parrot, or fish. Cats and dogs are more associated with people, with dogs being more expressive. A dog will not only keep you company, but also be your partner in getting to know the city. Many places have dog parks where pet owners talk to each other about their pets and their activities. You can meet a lot of people. Instead of fussing about moving to a new city, take it as an opportunity to get to know a new place. If you found this video any helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.